welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, it's gonna be a very special day because we're here at Cascades Nature Park. It is located here in Magay Compostela, which is just 5 minutes away from home, so we're very lucky. So today guys is September 13, 2020 and this park is not yet officially opened. So their soft opening will be on September 15, 2020, which is Tuesday. But we're very lucky to get inside the park and tour around the place. So let's go and let's check out the place and let's see if what's the amenities, what we can see here, what you can expect. So that if you want to chill or like just have a mini break from the hustle and bustle of the city, wow, so you can come here. And we're very fortunate because today the owner will tour us around the place. So let's go and check it out. Let's go. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so first things first, we have to
sanitize. So we will have a hand washing station, but if it's ever not functional, we will always provide hand sanitizer at the gate.
Okay.
And then after that, we are doing and 36.1.
Is it fine?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
And then we'll sign a contact tracing form, and then we'll go inside. And we require a reservation. We're okay with same-day reservation, but no walk-ins. These are our procedures for COVID-19 to make sure we're not reaching past our capacity for the day.
Okay, so after sanitize our hands and everything, so we need to fill up this contact tracing form. So I'm gonna fill up my name. Okay, so we're now here at how do you pronounce this one? Cascades? Cascades.
Cascades.
Cascades. We're very privileged because I'm with the
general manager and owner Sydney.
Whoa, hello Miss Sydney. Nice meeting you. Miss Sydney will tour us around the place.
Yeah, we'll tour around the place and then you get to check out our amenities and give your review. So here on the right we have a few birds.
Oh!
We have geese, guinea fowl.
So guys, this is the footpath for the guest. Look at that guys.
You could picnic, play soccer, whatever you want to do. We really left it open-ended. It's really great for large events too.
Yeah.
Team
for
building.
Wedding.
Team building, weddings. Exactly. I'll just walk you through here, and then that way you know where everything is, and then if you want me in a shot you could tell me, but otherwise I just give you freedom to walk around, so that way you kind of can pick what you want to shoot.
There's already guests or just family?
This is just our personal event for dedicating to our business, so it's not open to guests.
Yes, so they will be opening the park guys on September 15. That will be Wednesday, right?
Tuesday.
Ah yeah, Tuesday.
2 more days.
It's nice.
It's actually been in my husband's family.
Oh.
Yeah, for over 20 years, and it was just private. They just used it more like a farm. This pool wasn't here and stuff. And then they just decided, you know, we don't use it enough. Let's make something out of it where people can enjoy the beauty. So that's where Cascades idea came from.
It's just 5 minutes away from home.
Really?
Yeah, we just ride the tricycle going here.
All right, you ready to get your tour?
Okay.
Please keep in mind a few things are going to be finished tomorrow, so you might see a little bit of construction, but it'll be ready by our opening.
Okay.
For a second. So this is what we call our pavilion. All these tables and chairs will be set up for social distancing. So these are the tables and chairs that we will use for day entry. You will be assigned a table. They can't be moved, but you do have the option to opt out of it if you'd prefer to just picnic in our grass area with your own accommodations. Those are the chairs, and then that's actually our bar and grill. Where the chairs are being stored is gonna be where we put some display cabinets for some of our gift shop items, and then that can be removed for private events if you wanted to have your DJ there or your catering there. We really left it open-ended for you. The wall is huge so that you can have a projector, and behind the wall is actually male and female bathrooms. And then over here we have additional restroom. Here is our hand and foot wash. This one's automated. And then these ones are not. We just, for those that do not want to touch, we wanted to add the accommodation.
Oh, look at this, guys. This is very nice for those people who don't want to touch this one. You can hear, and this is a great iron dryer. This is cool. And then on the back side here, this is our shower, which you should use before entering the pool, and then also after. So there's plenty of room for everyone to keep socially distanced and to stay clean for our pools to be sanitary. Yeah.
We do have nice restroom accommodations.
For men?
This is men. So 2 stalls, urinals, and there's additional sink and everything in here.
Whoa, cool. I like the light. It's open, but it doesn't matter.
If you look in the back, it's tall. No one can see through it.
Yeah.
That's for airflow. And then same with
Oh, hello there.
same with the women's 3 stalls here.
Okay.
And like I said, there's women's also there, so there's at least 5 stalls total. Here we have 5 changing rooms. They actually go back here. And then these might only be open certain days, but we also have more private showers.
Oh, okay. There's a private shower room, guys.
If you were to park over here,
So there's actually 2 parking lots here, right?
yeah, so that's the first one. I don't know if you want to walk there. We can if you want to shoot it. But yeah, if you don't park there and take that footpath, you park here and walk this way. And then actually it's nice time because we brought out our lawn games that people can rent.
So this is their second parking.
First.
Where's the second?
So that one's considered our second because it's overflow, kind of far away, and it fits buses.
Okay.
Team building.
If you want to bring your own vehicle or your own car here, so it's fine because there's a big parking area here.
So we call this our garden area. It's a great area to rent our lawn games and play. The one they're playing right now is called cornhole. It's where you toss the bag onto the board.
And I like it here because there's a lot of trees, which is very refreshing, you know.
Especially after being locked up for
Yes.
quarantine. Very refreshing, and we get a nice sea breeze actually because we're still
Yeah,
close
near the sea.
So Cascades got its name from cascading water is actually. So you'll see we have 4 waterfalls on the property. So this is actually duckweed. We use it it's organic to feed our fish.
Oh, I thought it's grass.
No, it's duckweed.
Okay.
Anna is used for if someone has an event and they want to do valet. Or even for pulling up, especially if it's raining, someone can get out here.
Yeah.
Not for parking, but for drop-off only.
Okay.
So the pavilion by the pool can be rented exclusively for large events. And when we have our pricing online on our website, and you can rent half day or full day, no access to public guests. So you can really have the whole park to yourself for your event. If you want something that's non-exclusive, we're going to have this facility, not by our opening, but by October we should finish the inside.
So we're here at the lake, guys.
And you can see, these are all tilapia, even the orange ones.
Look at that, the fishes. Tilapia and bangus. Is there bangus here?
What is that?
Milkfish.
Little fish? I don't know.
Milkfish?
Milkfish? I don't think so. So right now this is actually where me and my husband live, so it's not open for accommodations. We hope in the future to have it.
The park is only for day
Use, no overnight.
Okay.
We're also looking into maybe adding camping, but we just have to confirm with our barangay that it's okay. So not yet.
There's a little bridge here. Oh.
Mindset and you'll be just fine. And smile. Things will work out right in time. Get your mindset and you'll be just fine.
So by the way, guys, I'm with my sister. This is Claire.
So this is
Another cascading waterfall.
the Big Island. It's perfect if you wanted to have your wedding ceremony and all your
Yeah.
guests sit on the outside like a stadium, or even prenuptial shoots. That's
Yeah.
really, even a concert we're thinking in the future. You could have music playing and everyone enjoying from there. So it's really open-ended and it's really beautiful here on the island.
Wow.
It's open to day users as long as someone doesn't have it reserved. So picnic, take pictures, it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you're going to be taking like professional photo shoot, like with a tripod or anything, you have to pay for a pictorial pass.
Oh,
but just
okay.
phone pictures and stuff, it's okay.
About the food, can we order food here?
Yeah, so just so everyone is aware, all of our policies are on our website under our walk-in terms, which is actually a requirement to read before you make your reservation, just so you know what to expect. But we do allow outside food. We have what we call our Keep Nature Clean policy. So whatever you bring, you have to take home with you trash-wise.
Yes.
We will have a bar and grill here, and we'll serve soft drinks and food, and anything we provide, we will throw for you. And that's it, no corkage or anything at this time. We really want to accommodate you guys for COVID in case you want to bring your own items. So that is why we're including that for you.
Okay, cool.
Things will work out right in time.
So imagine the bride walking through here.
Sana all.
We are at the back side of our lake, so this is actually our rental pickup for any of our water sports. You'll make a payment at our bar area, but then we have pickup here, so you'll just bring a ticket or we'll inform them. And our guys will be the ones to put the vessels into the water for you.
Okay, there's a kayak, guys.
There's
You can rent.
Yeah, 2 kayaks, 2 paddle
How
boards.
much is that one?
I'd have to look online. I think it's around 150 for an hour.
Per hour.
And then the larger ones can go up to I think 200. So
Oh,
maybe
this is
you can-
nice.
yeah, so this is a 3-person canoe, and this one's those pedal boats where 4 people can sit. So that's what we have for now.
Is it not scary? There's no crocodile here.
No crocodiles, no crocodiles, only fish. I've actually swam in here, so I've used the
Really?
paddle board and I've swam in here. It's safe.
Whoa! And the fishes, guys, look, go!
So the only thing that comes with the entrance is pool access, and then the table and chair, which will be set up poolside pavilion only.
Okay.
But like I said, if you would rather not have that accommodation, you can opt out on a reservation form, and you can picnic anywhere in our grass areas with your own facility or accommodations.
Okay, overnight.
No overnight.
Oh,
at the
overnight.
moment.
Okay.
Sorry. So all of our cabanas and casitas, the pricing is online at our website, www.cascadesnaturepark.com. The small casitas are 500 and the large are 1,000, and that's for the full day. With your entry, once again, you do get a free table and chair, but it is set up in our poolside pavilion area. You're welcome to opt out of our tables and chairs and then bring your own, mat for if you want to do picnic somewhere else in our grass area.
Okay, yeah. And no overnight, guys.
Yeah, sorry, not yet. Come, and as long as we're successful, we want to build overnight accommodations. So
Yes.
in the future.
Look forward to that.
Yes. We are a family-owned company, so you'll notice me and my husband will be very hands-on even on our opening. So when you visit, come by, say hi.
Yes.
We'd love to get to know the people that are visiting our park, and we really want you to feel like family here.
I'll bring my friends here.
Yes, we appreciate that. Please share about our park. The more the merrier.
Yeah.
And we have plenty of room during COVID to still keep social distancing, and we really have taken into consideration protocols to make you feel safe. That's everything. So if you want to just walk around and do your shoots in this area, and then when you're ready and done here, let me know and I will remove people for you too.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss
You're
Cindy.
welcome.
Let's get some sun, baby. It's time to go.
Labila pa yung mga cellphone. What kind of plant is this, guys? Comment below. Oh, it's like a banana. I'm not a plantita, so sorry, guys.
Can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh.
Can you hear that, guys? It's the sound of the crickets. You cannot hear the sound of the buses here, or the jeepneys, or the peep peep. What do you call the peep? The horns. But you can hear the sound of the goats, the birds chirping, the crickets. It's so noisy. Ano to? So this is their pool, guys. It's very large. And there's a waterfalls here. Cool.
Yeah, thank you so much, Daisy, for coming and sharing with your followers. I hope you guys like what you see and her creative inspiration for our beautiful park, and we just really hope that you'll come. Once again, our opening is going to be September 15th, and we're already accepting reservations online on our website.
Yo, no walk-ins, guys, so remember to reserve your spots here so that you can come here at Cascades Nature Park. By the way, guys, this is located in St.Francis Village in Magay Compostela, right?
Correct.
Yes. So if you are coming from the city and you want to take the public transportation, so just ride a bus going to Compostela, and then you drop off in Magay Elementary School, and from there you ride a tricycle going here. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you very soon.
So that would be all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, guys, please follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook page. My Instagram is at @IamDaisy and my Facebook page is Daisy. That's all, guys. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creation, and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Daisy friends.